YouTube? This is Fancy Nancy. I'm doing this quick clip because I did Blue Texas Tornadoes tickets, but I won't be able to download them tomorrow. So I'm doing it today. So I'm going to connect those videos together. So please continue watching to the end. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Love you all. Be safe. Stay safe. Wear your mask. Love ya. Bye. Have a good weekend. Hello everyone on YouTube. This is Fancy Nancy. And today I'm doing part 2 for Blue Texas Tornado ticket. The Monopoly cash word. I'm going to do one ticket. And the odds for this ticket is 1 in 4.28. Pretty high. Yeah, I'm going to zoom in. And play just this one ticket. Ticket 027. Alright. Wish her luck. See if we can get a win this time. First letters are H and Z. H and Z. Wow. Okay, I don't see a H. I didn't expect a Z. Okay. Got that out of the way. And another one. JR. Who killed JR? Dallas. I don't know who remembers that show. That TV miniseries. Who killed JR? I know some of you gotta remember that. Especially Blue Texas Tornado. The Gambler, Penny Cruz, me of course. We're on about that same ages and time. P and B, when we used to watch Who Killed, Dallas. BP. You know what I need right now, guys? I need a nap. I don't take nap, but recently, almost take naps every day. And I never did that. Next letter, S and an N. I guess it comes with the age. I don't know. But right now, my body ready to shut down. I hate feeling this way. But I think I'm going to take a nap after this. Even if it's half an hour. My body needs it. SN. The next two letters are F and W. Oof. Okay, next two letters, a V and an E. That's what we needed on the other ticket, E's. That would have been beautiful. E and a V. Okay, the next two letters, X, Y. Y is a crooked letter. No X and just one Y. Why is that? Okay, I and an O. The next two letters is a TL. Now let's get her a win, guys. I mean, not you guys, these letters. LT, we got one word here, two words. Come on, they're gonna give me the A. Come on. Give me the A. Give me a G. A G. Said that already. A. K. I'll take the K. Next two letters, last. It's a C. And a U. Wow. A C and a U. A CCU. They didn't ask for that. Right. This was another loser. Wow. I could have gave her a win. I'd have been happy. Got two more tickets, and I will be doing that tomorrow. Right now, I am going to take a nap. I'm sorry I don't get no win there. Sorry, sweetie. But maybe tomorrow these will be good. Hopefully. Let's hope that those are left for last. The best is left for last. Ooh, wrong way. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button, the dislike button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell for notification. Leave me a comment down below. I do read them. So with that said, I forgot these two. These are the one from yesterday. And you'll have a good weekend. Adios. Bye-bye. Love you all. Thank you, Blue. Love you. Y'all stay safe. You too, Blue Texas Tornado. Hello, everyone on YouTube. This is Fancy Nancy. And this is the last day for Blue Texas Tornadoes ticket. I have two left. The Monopoly, 30 time. Ticket number 28 and 29. So we're going to do 28 first. And the odds for this ticket is 1 in 4.28. Okay, let's wish her luck. And these are her coins that she had gave me before on Fun Mail. Okay, first two letters are a K and a P. KP. JU. The next two letters are TG. Next two letters, AO. Next two letter, X and a V. Next two letters, Z and a D. I missed this U. My whistle is not the greatest. Next two is a F and a S. I missed this T, makes one word.
I'm laughing a little over that.
I try to forget. Like an angel. They're gonna kick me off of this. FS, and I missed that K, I'm sorry. Missed this D. Won't let me go. H and a M. HM.
You want to try it again?
Let me finish this, Frank. H&M. Sounds like some. It's a store named H&M. Yes. So I recognize that. Come on, we need another win. I need a win for her. We got a W and a B. A W and a B. Oh, me siento diferente cuando estás en mi brazo. Oh, there go one. That's two words, right? No entiendo. And Y. Estás en mí. No. Damn. Another loser. I'm sorry, Blue. Got one more ticket and that's it. ¿Y por qué? Ya no puedo. This gotta be a winner, man. E and an H. I want to win at least one ticket from Blue Texas Tornado. Me da una razón. Es algo que no tiene solución. Es otro día más sin verte. Okay, let me stop before they kick this video right off. I'll whisper it. Let me finish this. Para que no te vayas. Okay, next two is IQ. That's the big brain. Big brain IQ. I got a small Q in my brain. Esté separado. JY. Es otro día más sin verte. Next two letters, T and a V. Es algo que no tiene solución. Es otro día más sin verte. T and a V. Not the greatest voice. I try. T and a V. I could sing that T and a V. A Z and a O. No puedo soportar. Es otro día más sin verte. Dame una razón. P and a S. Es otro día más sin verte. No. P. S. No puedo. Next two letter is an M and a B. No, 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 no. B, M. Wow. W. K. Sheesh. Come on, one win for her at least. Not asking for too much. Okay, CD. Okay, that's one. That's two. CD. Is that the third one, or is that just two words? Okay, I got one here, two here. I thought I had one already. A. Yes. Finally, 3 words, 4 words. So singing made it. God is the letters got scared of my voice. Oh, shucks. Okay. Got 4 words so far, and that's $5. One more letter. Let's hope that it gives you another word for $10 at least. Ah, this X. Not fair X. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words. So $5. I got you finally I got you a win, Blue Texas Tornado, at the last ticket. Ticket number 29 gave you a win. The rest, sorry, sweetie, but we gave it a shot. Excuse me. I like these tickets. I would do a book if I were you. Just saying. if nobody knows who she is, pick her up. Her channel name is Blue Texas Tornado. Scratch her. So, with that said, if you like this video, please hit the like button, dislike button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the bell for notification, leave me a comment, and I hope you don't dislike my singing because I don't sing the best. But, Blue Texas, thank you, Mama. I appreciate this. So y'all have a good day and be safe out there. Love you all. Adios. Bye-bye. Like Blue Texas Tornado would say, peace. Love you. Hello, this is Fancy Nancy again, and I'm back because I forgot the bonus, the community chest. So I'm going to scratch it now so we can see the multiplier or whatever it is she gets. If she gets any, if she gets any of these symbols, which is the dog, make it double. The car, she gets triple. The Monopoly Cabeza, she's gonna get 30 times the price. And I can't scratch it with this. Where did my husband put that? Okay. You shine like an angel. Okay, let's zoom in a little more. I guess that's the only as I go. As far as I can go. Okay. Sorry, Blue. I will be adding this video. And she's got the doggy. So she wins. Review a dog. She wins double the price. So she wins now $10. Awesome. You got $10, Blue. You got the dog. So you got 2 times. You got 4 words. $5. So now you get $10. I'm so happy. Out of 15, you get back 10. Now that I'm happy with. Thank you guys. Sorry I had to come back, but that's me. What happens when you're singing and distracting when my husband trying to tell me something is so much. Too much for me. Adios. Love you guys. Bye-bye.